Hello lovelies, I've got Madame Glam September Labour Luxe collection and I've got 4 of them. These are out now. I'm a little bit late getting this filmed because they're out tomorrow, so I'm saying now because they'll be out then. But don't they look beautiful together? And the other 4 are just as gorgeous. So I'll just show you the names first. So I've got Bring Me Latte, then I'll do Union Blue, Business Style and Shine and Thrive. A beautiful creamy pinky nude. It's a very warm nude, this. Very nice. Right, I'll do 2 coats anyway, although that's probably okay on one. These are the ingredients if you've not seen them before. And it's a 60-second cure in LED or 2 minutes in the UV light system. So this is going to be beautiful blue. Dusky. If you're interested in any more blues, I did blues on the last video, so you can see how that compares to them. Oh, this is going to be gorgeous. Business Style. Wow. Oh. So this has got everything in, so this will tone with all the colours. Wow. So clear background, so you put it over the top of other colours. Oh yeah, it looks like diamond dust. Oh, does look like diamond dust. But it's thick and opaque. Where that one's got the very sort of clear background, put it over the others, I would have this standalone. It's just stunning. Oh, you're not going to see the glisten like I can, but it's beautiful. 2 coats, top coat, and then I'll decide what I'm doing another design for you. So there they all are. Oh, look at that diamond dust. Oh, beautiful. And then that one on its own, all the colours in it, but over the top of another colour, it's just another dimension. So let's do it over. Let's do it over that one as well. Yeah. Wow. Oh, what am I going to do? Ooh. So I'm just doing one nail design because I'd probably do the whole set the same anyway. So anyway, I've got to get this video up tonight. So just the one set. So I'm going to do the, just looked at that, Bring My Latte. And I'm going to do 2 coats of this and I'll be back in a jiffy. So it's had 2 coats of the Bring Me My Latte and I'm doing the Union Blue. I've just got a bit on there. So I've also done a coat of matte. So this is going to be the hardest bit, is to try and make an oval. How many attempts I will have at this, I don't know. But I'll just make sure my brush is saturated. I've got a fairly long one. It's about half an inch. So I want it to be here. So I'm just going to keep getting bigger and bigger because I know that's what's going to happen anyway. Oh, that won't be too bad, but bigger than that. want it proper oval, not an egg. Yeah, no bigger than that. Fill that in and let's have a look. Sorry I can't talk when I'm actually concentrating. I can normally multitask, but not when it comes to painting. It's not perfect, but let me think. Look at it from a different angle. It's slightly bigger at that end. So yeah, I'm happy with that. But I want it to stand out, so I'm going to sprinkle with some acrylic. Now, because there's a lot of gel on, I'm not going to put that in the lamp for a second. Oh, I wasn't in frame, sorry. So I've just sprinkled with acrylic. If you can see, there's a little bit of shine coming back, so I'm going to keep sprinkling. So if it stays matte, I know it's soaking it all up. So I'm going to cure that. So I'm going to give it 60 for display purposes, but I'll probably give it a couple of minutes with all that acrylic on. If it's on yourself, and then I'm going to do another coat. So that's that done. So it needs a brush. I always use this. It's a huge fan brush from an art shop, because it kind of flicks, and it'll flick it out the way, if you know what I mean. I can get all down the edges as well. But whatever you've got. So, and then another coat. If you could watch me, I've also got my tongue stuck out. While I'm concentrating. So that's just got a little bit of a dome to it, but not an awful lot. Don't want it to stand off too much, but I'm going to use some caviar beads, some fairly large. Shall I use the gunmetal? Don't know, gunmetal or silver. And I've got these tiny little flowers in the sort of creams and stuff, and some leaves which I might put on as well. So I'm going to pick out a couple of these. I've just bought this. I put it somewhere safe. I couldn't blooming find it. So this picker up, but I want some that coordinate with that. Oh, I quite like them bows as well. I wonder if it's not too far away. But I want the ones, there's two different sorts in there. There's like this and then some that look like proper little roses. So tiny I want. Smallest one I've got. And I'm going to stick them on with polygel. I've not got Madame Glam ink here, so I'm using a different one, but I'm just going to stick these on with a bit of polygel. Because then I can manoeuvre them without I'm actually sliding off. Might put some little gemstones on as well, not sure. Do I like this one? Yeah. So that's that. So what I'm going to do now is put some glue in between so that you won't have all the sort of raggy edges. And extra secure them. There, just fill that little hole in the middle. And if I need to, I can go all the way around the edges of them. And I can go over the whole thing with the matte top coat if I want to make sure it's super smooth. But I'm going to go around this. With the rhinestone glue. So I'll do so many. And I'm going to actually use rose gold. I've gone all the way around and I've decided I'm going to put some here. I'm just going to no wipe top coat because I want round the edges to be glossy. Down there. And over the caviar beads. So these are my 4 colours, just to repeat it: Uni Blue, Business Style, Shine and Thrive, and Bring My Latte. So there are another 4 available. It's Nails by Sue 35 if you want to save 35% on Madam Glam, or you can join the VIP. This is the finished design. So thank you all for watching, everybody. Love you loads, take care, and I'll see you next time. Love ya, bye.